everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kathleen and thank you for clicking this video. If you're new in my channel, welcome to my channel and don't forget to click the like button, subscribe button, and click the notification bell beside it if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. So for today, we're going to do something that I haven't been doing for quite a long time. If you're a follower or you're a friend of mine, you know that I am a Young Living member. And for now, I received my November ER package! So it's so big. Actually, dapat di ko nga yata inalog kasi mayroong babasagin. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. So, come on! For today, guys, I will be sharing with you my ER unboxing. And I would like to share the benefits that I have experienced. And it may be working for me, but it may not work for you. But these are the things that I basically do with my oils. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. So, first, to get back on our topic, what is Essential Reward? So, I made a video last month about ER. So Essential Rewards is basically like a monthly subscription of Young Living, and you can choose whatever products you want from the OTG on the ground products that is available here in the Philippines, but you need to maintain a minimum of 50 PB or 50 point value. But just to tell you guys, hindi siya required and you can opt to only buy whenever the need arises to. So, let's start unboxing! Sorry guys, hindi yata kita kasi nasa baba. But, you'll see it when I open it. Madaming palogo CYL every time you order. So here is my receipt. So I ordered 2 packs of Ningxia Red, 1 sweet aroma diffuser, and 1 eucalyptus globulus 15 ml. So let's open it. Oh my gosh! So, ito na siya. I finally got a new diffuser. Actually, this is a gift from Ate F. Ate F Real Sarongon. Thank you so much for giving me this one. So, this guys, sobrang generous talaga ng team namin because I just hit a rank last month. And it's called the Senior Star. And when you reach it, mayroong personal promo si Ate F that she will give a sweet aroma diffuser. Sobrang generous. And I can't fathom my feelings. I'm so happy. And also guys, you should follow them in YouTube. They have a YouTube account. Ate F and his husband, Mark. It's called Journey with Mark and F. I'll put the link here. And don't forget to subscribe to their channel also. So, let's open the Sweet Aroma Diffuser. Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako. OMG. So, merong guide. Kita nyo ba? And then, of course, we have the saksakan, the adapter. Turn it in the box for a while. And here is the box. Here's the diffuser. Buksan natin siya. OMG. Super cute niya lang. Super cute guys. So here is it. Here it is. Super cute. So this is called the Sweet Aroma Diffuser. So let's read a little description about this one. So this diffuser run in 2 modes, the high output mode and the intermittent mode. So for the high output, maximum of 4 hours siya gumagana, and for the maximum 8 hours siya gumagana. So meron siyang 2 pindutan for the power and then for the light. So akala ko walang light yung sweet aroma, so I'm super shocked na meron siyang light. So, how do we open this? Oh, ganon. So, I just need to open this na ganito. And then, you can put the oils in here and also the water. Oh my gosh, sobrang ganda guys. Meron siyang ilaw and also meron siyang they call this the ultrasonic plate sa loob. Makikita nyo ba? Can you see? When using the essential oils, kasi ng Young Living, it is so pure that you can't mix the water and oil. Actually, ganun naman everything, diba? You really can't mix water and oil. And the ultrasonic plate helps to distribute the particles, which can be beneficial to your health at home. So, that's it. I really appreciate the team that I have right now. And if you want to come oil with us, just you can just comment down below or look for my Instagram account. I will just put it in the description box below. And just send me a message. So for the next one that is inside my package is the favorite of everyone, Ningxia Red. So let's open muna yung Ningxia alone. So that you know kung ano siya. So guys, struggle siya buksan kasi mabigat siya. But this is the Ningxia Red. Sobrang ganda ng bote nga. Actually, this is my first time to get the Ningxia Red in a bottle. Because I only tasted this yung sa premium starter kit na 2 sample lang. And super nabitin ako because it tastes so good. So tinipid ko lang siya. And every time I feel sick or I don't feel well or I don't have energy for the day, I just drink that one. So now I already bought the one in a bottle and I'm telling you guys, this is super duper helpful. So just to read a little background of Ningxia Red. Ningxia Red is one of Young Living supplement. Masasabi natin. It is a mixed fruit drink, combines the benefits of the wolfberry superfruit with essential oils to create an appetizing, wholesome beverage blend and enjoy its naturally delicious flavor daily. So, parang siyang vitamins but make it like wine. So, super sarap talaga ng Ningxia Red na to guys. As in, super tagal ko na siya gustong bilhin but it's just so expensive. But now, naipon ko na siya so I just bought it. And one box includes 2 bottles, but they also have different packs. Pwedeng 4, pwedeng buy the sachet, which is the one that you get if you buy the premium starter kit. But it's 30 pieces, pero I think mas sulit talaga if you get the bottle. I just have one more left here. So, this, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, hindi ko to alam. But, my Sweet Aroma diffuser comes with lemon. Akala ko wala na siya. Pero ang saya. Because super konti na lang ng lemon ko. As in, isang ubo na lang siya, guys. And ang saya. Because meron na akong lemon. Hindi na ako kailangan bumili for about 2 days. And I think it can last me up until the end of the month. So, super happy with this one. Because lemon is super important. And I also have, matagal ko na tong gustong bilhin, the Eucalyptus globulus. There are different kinds of eucalyptus, pero ito yung pinakamura, so it's why I bought it. Alam niyo naman, tagtipid tayo ngayon since it's the pandemic. But there's also the Eucalyptus radiata. It's so sad that I didn't get to buy that one last 11/11 because it went 50, no, not 50, but it went like buy one take one. So actually yun lang naman yata yung laman. That's my ER for this month. Super happy with all my purchase and can't wait to share with you guys what I love about oils. And, nga pala, share lang pala guys about Eucalyptus globulus. One time, parang sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko and I just want to relax. So, but wala pa ako nung globulus. I used the peppermint, but this is better. You just put 3 drops in the bathroom floor, and guys, sauna. And it was the best bath that I took in so long. Kasi hot shower plus peppermint or some minty oils is heaven. I'm telling you guys. So that's what's inside my Essential Rewards box. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to my video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button, and click the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much, guys, and I'm hoping to see you in my next vlog.